Welcome back. Now let us do the spelling correction part, and just to let you know, spelling for correction can be done by a lot of the library, and you have to choose the appropriate library. The meaning of the appropriate will be that you see the what kind of text you are working with. If you are working with say a financial domain, the text where the lot of the financial words are there, then see which is the appropriate library to clean that particular domain. Similarly, if you are legal domain or the electronics, say computer related or simple literature and so on. So see if there is any library that is specific to that domain, then that will be good for you. And here I'm going to use QTAP. QTAP is for the simple English, and I have found it out. It is very good accuracy. And if you find something more, then you can definitely write it on the discussion board. Okay. And line 158, we are getting the library QTAP, and 161 we are doing in the parameter, basically dividing from where we should start. And it is saying if there is any word length of 3 or less, ignore that. Maximum row number, the total data. Bucket length around 100 will be doing bucketing, because QTAP access to the internet, and then it tried to correct the spelling. And this is the for loop. From we have defined over here, so 2 is getting defined over here. And 170 we are checking the spelling correction, and you see this is the data. This is our data, and it gives a lot of the options. So since we'll be doing this in a batch mode, so we are saying assume first, correct and take it. And the maximum sometime it is suggest also the 3 only, and that's all. And why we have put it in the try catch, because sometime if it is generally touch over internet, so if there is any other issue, at least our program does not crash. And so once this is given, we are taking out the words which we have which we have done the correction. Okay. And there are some of the errors like not found, and also if there are any corrections or any words which are say 3 we had defined, so if any words are 3 or less, ignore that. And this is what it prints, that what the spelling mistake it has done it. So that's all. So let us go and do the print, run the line 164 to 1204. I'm running in one go, and see it is taking time. If you see this screen, it is taking time because it is connecting to internet and then trying to get the response, and that is why it need to be done in a batch mode, on a small batch. And see, it has already done it. So if you see that from something it has, you'll see this is the handle, it has replaced with this one, microwave with this one, and so on. Okay, this thing, something it has done in that way. Okay, good. Okay, so in this way you correct the spelling mistake. And 206 we are detaching the library, and 209 we are saving this clean data so that we can use it fresh. And that's all for about the word meaning cleaning. And let me share my practical experience. Some people, they say that should I do the spelling correction first or lemmatization first? So you do Generally, if you do it before lemmatization, that is also good. So, and I have seen that people doing before lemmatization, and if you do it before lemmatization, it's good. Otherwise, try to do in 2-3 iterations. It means you say a spelling correct, then lematize, again do the spelling correct. If there is something else, then lematize. After this, you will find that this has been cleaned. So 2 iteration minimum should be good enough of the lemmatization and the spelling correction. Or if you can do the multiple iteration and you see the output. That is why if you see over here, I had advised that try to do the 2 to 3 iterations. Okay. For this, all this cleaning, normalization, basically stemming and lemmatization, spelling correction. Do 2 to 3 iterations. If you do it, I have seen that it becomes almost good clean stuff. Okay, that's okay. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.